Hello everyone, it's Joshua here and back with another tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to load beats on your PSR E363. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to need is a computer, and so here I've got my laptop here with me. The first thing you're going to do is download the Yamaha Music Soft downloader. So Yamaha Music Soft downloader, and you click enter. You go down to version history, and then you scroll down. You tick the boxes yes, I agree, and you click that download. This zip file, you are going to unzip it, and to unzip it you click on show in folder. You right click on that and then press extract all, and then you choose where you want and then just click extract. Now once it has finished extracting, you're going to open it and then double click on the application to install it. So that's how it's done. So I'm not going to install it because I already have it on my laptop. The next thing you need is a USB to host cable, and this cable looks something like this. So on one end you have a USB, and on the other end you have another USB. So you need a cable like this. So behind your keyboard you're going to plug in your USB cable. The other end you plug it straight into your computer. Once you finish installing the Yamaha Music Soft downloader, you're going to open it, double click on it, and it should open. And once it has opened, you click on connection check. So you unplug the instrument. So you open the software, you connect the instrument again, then you click on connection check, and then connection check. So if the keyboard, the software says that your connection is not connected properly, just unplug the USB cable and plug it in again. So click next, and then here select digital keyboard and then check. After that it's gonna say okay, you exit, and then from here you're going to add some bits. So I'm going to I want to transfer to the keyboard. So you click on add file, and then you choose whatever bit you want to add. So in this case for me on my desktop, I have a bit that I want to add. And if you can't see the bit, just make sure you tick this one saying all files, not just the style files but all files, and that way you see every file. And you go, I'm going to insert this one, NS4. Double click on whatever file you want to put in your keyboard, so you can put as many bits as you want. But on this keyboard, unfortunately, there's a limit of just 9 bits. So because the memory is just inside, you don't have an external USB memory, so it's all inside. Now once you finish that, you're going to click on electronic musical instruments here, double click on that, and then you get this section that says flash memory system drive. You click on flash memory, and then these are the bits that are in the keyboard or that I've loaded in the memory of their keyboard. Now what I'm going to do to add another one, you select it and then click move and OK. So this will move this bit into the memory of the keyboard. And if I want to take a bit out, same thing, you just select it and then click move, and it will take it out of the memory of the keyboard. So but I'm not going to do that in this case. And once you finish, I just like to click refresh, and that's it. Now you just unplug your USB cable from the keyboard. To load the bits up, so the bits have not been loaded up, then the memory of the keyboard, they have not been loaded up into the actual keyboard. So to load them, you're going to head to function, click function, click again, function until you reach where it says style reg. So on style reg, you just keep scrolling through the bits using the no and the yes. So this will scroll through all the bits that are in here, the user bits. So now the bit that I want to register is this one, NS4. So now once you have selected that, you click on 0 here, reset, which is also the OK button, 0, and then load to, and then from here I can select. So I have the numbers between 166 and 175. So that's just 9 channels. So I can put it in the 166 or 167, 168, 169, 170. So I can select any of those. But if you have something else in that channel, don't put the bit in. So I don't have anything in the 175, so I'm going to put in 175. And then once you select where you want to put it, you click OK, which is a 0, and then you click yes, and then it's going to load. So it takes a few seconds to load. Once it's loaded, it says completed. That means it's done. Now to play this bit, I just click on style, and this will take me out of the function menu, and then I'm going to go back because the user bits are at the end of the bits, the style. So I'm going to go on. So once you've gone back to style, use the here button to go across, and here this is where you see all the user bits. So from 166 to 175, they are all your user bit, the bits that you have put in here yourself. So the one I just put in is the NS4. So I have some bits that I've loaded. So now to play the bit, I'm just gonna go here, go to the bit I want, select it, and press start. And if for some reason you select a bit, for example this one, and you play it and it doesn't play, just know that the voices that are in that bit are not supported on this keyboard, or the voices that are in that bit are not on this keyboard. So that's why it's not gonna play. It's going to, you see it, the tempo moving, but it's not gonna produce any sound because the voices or the drums that are in whatever keyboard you created that bit on are not in here. So what you do is you change. So for example, the drum voices in here, when you go to the voice, and the drum voices start from, so 198 are all drum voices. So if you have a standard kit, it will work. Or if you have standard kit 2, room kit, rock kit, so in whatever bit you use, you have to make sure it uses these names, these bits, otherwise it's not going to work. So whatever, if you're gonna use a PSRS keyboard to create these bits and you want to transfer them here, make sure the bits you are using have the same name, that's similar. So the name of the drum you use is in this keyboard as well. So use drums such as the standard kit 1 or kit 2, room kit, rock kit, electric kit. So but if you have the other voices, it's not gonna work. So the voices that are in the PSRS keyboards, the top range models, they have what they call, Yamaha calls them mega voices. So those are the fancy voices, you know, the realistic voices which you don't get in the smaller keyboards like this. So thank you very much everyone for watching. I hope this tutorial was useful and helpful. Please continue supporting us, and may the Lord bless you. I'll see you in the next tutorial.